children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we will know about the lesson Northern and Coastal Plains. What is the lesson? Northern and Coastal Plains. All of you open your textbook. This is our social textbook. Open the page number 23. The Northern and Coastal Plains. Here first get set. Rearrange the letters to get the names of a few cities located in the plains. Write the names on the blanks. What is this? This is for Mumbai. You have to write here Mumbai. And second one is Guwahati and Delhi. Next one Chennai, Patna and Kolkata. Here which of these cities are located on the coast? In these cities which are located on the coast? Mumbai. Here Mumbai and Chennai are the cities located on the coast. Children, all of you listen carefully and follow me. A flat and level land is called a plain. Underline this. A flat and level land is called a plain. The plains of India include the northern plains and the coastal plains. Northern plains and coastal plains. First of all, we will know about the northern plains. The northern plains lie towards the south of the Himalayas. They stretch from Punjab to Assam. Underline this. Punjab to Assam. Many rivers which originates in the Himalayas flow through the northern plains. These rivers carry water throughout the year. They also bring with them broken pieces of rocks, sand and silt. Underline this. Broken pieces of rock, sand and silt. The fine silt deposited by the river is called alluvium. The fine silt deposited by the rivers is called alluvium. It is fertile and very good for crops. The alluvium is the fertile and very good crops. The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. Underline this. Three rivers. Those three rivers are Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Underline. The three rivers are Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra, and the tributaries have formed the northern plains. First river, the Satluj river basin. River Satluj originates in Tibet. Where is the river Satluj? In Tibet. Beas, underline, Beas is its main tributary. Here river Satluj, main river. This is the main river. Look at this picture. And it is tributary of a main river. It is the tributary of main river. Turn the page, children. Look at the map pointing here. Location of the northern plains. These are the northern plains in the color of green. Here the example of plain area. It is in flat land. Its main tributary. Beas is the main tributary of the Satluj river. Punjab and Haryana are part of the Satluj river basin. The Bhakra Dam, underline, Bhakra Dam built across the river Satluj, generates electricity and provides water for irrigation. Here look at the picture. Here river and this is the sea, and a river before joining in the sea it forms the delta. Here it is the delta. Next river, the Ganga river basin. River Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier. Underline the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. Where is the river Ganga originates from? In Himalayas, from Gangotri Glacier. Yamuna is its main tributary. Yamuna is the main tributary of the Ganga. The Ganga and its tributaries flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Underline Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. In the West Bengal, the river splits into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh and it is called Padma. Underline the Padma. It joins the Brahmaputra. The other branch flows through West Bengal and it is called Hooghly. River. Next river, the Brahmaputra river basin. River Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. Underline Tibet, where it is called Tsangpo. Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. It is called in Tibet Tsangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga rivers form the largest delta in the world. Before, underline very important bit ma, the Brahmaputra and the Ganga rivers form the largest delta in the world before falling into the Bay of Bengal. Before falling into the Bay of Bengal, this is the Sundarban Delta. That is called, the delta is called Sundarban Delta. Here look at the picture. In the northern plains, most farmers use the tractors to plough their fields. Next, in life in the region, Punjab, Haryana, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam lay in the northern plains. These cities are lay in the northern plains. Farming is the main occupation. People grow rice, wheat and sugarcane. Here what is the main occupation? Farming and wheat and sugarcane also people grow there. First state, Punjab. The farmers of Punjab use modern machines such as tractors and harvesters. Underline harvesters. People are fond of makki ki roti, sasan ka saag and lassi. Underline the people what they used to eat. Makki ki roti, sasan ka saag and lassi. They celebrate Baisakhi, very important. Baisakhi is the main festival here, and Lahri, Bhangra and Gidda are popular folk dances here. Underline these all folk dances. And many tourists visit the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Which temple? Tourist attraction here, Golden Temple. Next state, Haryana. Like the farmers of Punjab, the farmers of Haryana also use modern machines for farming. Many people are engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. Underline cattle rearing and dairy farming. Here, Faridabad and Gurugram, Faridabad and Gurugram have many industries such as information technology and automobiles. Underline these. Next one, Delhi, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Most people here work in offices. Many of them have business. Delhi has many famous monuments such as, underline these, the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple. Tourists from all over the world come to see these monuments. Next state is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. Underline the guavas and mangoes is famous fruits. Famous fruit orchards here Uttar Pradesh. There are many sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries. The chikankari, very important bit. Chikankari is the embroidery work of this Uttar Pradesh. Famous embroidery work, chikankari. Lucknow, silk sarees of. Here the temple, what is that? Humayun's tomb was built in the memory of the Mughal Emperor Humayun. Turn the page. Varanasi and Brasway of Moradabad are popular all over the world. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years in Prayagraj. Underline this, Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years. Agra, Varanasi and Lucknow are cities of tourist interest. Next state is Bihar. Bihar is famous for, here look at the picture, chikankari embroidery work and Bagalpuri silk. These are the clothes for. Next state, Bihar. Bihar is famous for lychees. Bagalpur is a center of silk weaving. Litti, chokha and sattu paranta are popular dishes. Here the famous dishes in Bihar. People speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. Underline the languages here, Maithili and Bhojpuri. Patna, Gaya and Rajgir are places of tourist interest. Here the Darjeeling in West Bengal and Assam are famous for tea gardens. A large number of women work in tea gardens. Next state is West Bengal. Rice, jute and tea are the main crops grown. Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Underline the Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Jute mills are located along both banks of the Hooghly River. Fishing is an important occupation in the coastal region. People speak Bangla. People speak here Bangla language, and Durga Puja is the most popular festival in West Bengal. Assam. Next one is the Assam. Assam is famous for tea and silk. Petroleum and natural gas are found in Digboi. Petroleum and natural gas are found in Digboi. Many women wear mekhela, chador and blouse. Mekhela and chador, blouse and blouse. Most people speak Assamese. Most people speak here Assamese. They celebrate Bihu festival here, famous festival. And children, look at the checkpoint, fill in the blanks here. A dash is a flat and level land. We have to write plain. Plain is a flat and level land. Next one, the main tributary of river Satluj is Beas. Write the Beas here. Next one, river Brahmaputra is called dash in Tibet, Sangpo. We have to write Sangpo. Now, Amritsar has the famous dash temple, Golden Temple. The people of Bihar celebrate Chhath. The people of Bihar celebrate the festival Chhath. So children, this is class for today. We will meet in next class. We will continue our lesson.